Kale, are you having fun? Kale, what are you doing?
Jogging.
You're jogging? Are you being healthy?
Yes.
Wow. Good job. You want to be a macho?
No.
You don't want to be a Johnny Bravo.
Johnny Bravo ka daw, be. Abe?
You don't want to be a Johnny Bravo?
Maganda tayo.
Sige.
Sulitin.
Ito kasi yung sa main gate na yung gate 2. Gate 1 ata. Let's go! You say hi. Hi. Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Vlogger yan.
What? Maybe? Maybe daw.
Oh, maybe. Wow. Okay, we'll support you. Say hi to your fans. Hi. Good morning. You have someone special that you want to shout out? Say, shout out to Daddy.
Shout out to Daddy.
Good morning, people.
Good morning, people.
We celebrated trick or treat. Wow, a mansion. Where are you going, Keel?
We're going home.
Are we going home?
Good morning po.
Good morning po.
What?
You should greet Lola.
Ante? Dito ba? O dito? Liligaw tayo ha?
Jog daw kayo, te. Jog.
Sino?
Kayo. Say bye na. Bye-bye.